Oh.
What's that?
Yeah, I am. It should be.
I just clicked on your link. I re-clicked it, see if it starts up.
All right.
Oh, well, maybe you got lucky because
Okay. Now it's
I,
starting.
I clicked start live or go live, and I clicked right onto a different screen, so maybe it didn't actually go live because I wasn't on the screen. I don't know. So maybe you got lucky because it does say live and it only says 30 seconds now. So
All right.
maybe you
See,
got
we're good.
lucky. All right, hold on 1 second.
One.
Okay, I muted. I muted YouTube. What the hell did you guys say? Okay. So typical Devin and Steve talk. Got it. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. All right. Well, I'm going to unmute YouTube now. So be on your best behavior.
So now that we're on YouTube, is there no more talk of the hot dogs I had last night?
So, for anybody tuning in, sorry about that. I was definitely late this morning. Had some more ice overnight. Schools decided not to close today, but they decided to open at 9.
Happy Friday to everyone.
So I had to deal with that.
Josh, I know you are looking to be looking for shorts, but DCNX has already rotated its floats.
Yeah, I saw. I don't have any shares on it anymore anyway. I did earlier, but no more.
Didn't want you to jump into something that you didn't realize what it had done.
Thank you, thank you.
There's a high probability that thing might fly. Get a 10 spot on that. I might throw some dollars at it at the bell, dude. Not even gonna wait? You're welcome. Yeah, we'll see what it does. Wait the first candle? I'll probably wait the first candle unless it just really immediately does something that says, get in me. I mean, this is a wacky Friday. You were in an SSR trade after 9 o'clock today, and now you're gonna trade on the first candle? I wasn't really realizing I was in an SSR trade after 9 o'clock when I did it, but... You knew you were in an SSR trade. I did know I was in an SR trade, but that's because I was playing around with what we were talking about, trying to see if because Steve, long story short, Steve said, because I was like, man, I hate him because I have to, put in my order above the bid, so I got to kind of guess where it is. Now if it goes against me, I got to figure out a higher spot, and hopefully it hits it to get me, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
And he was like, no, just put it in below the bid, and when the bid gets down to it, you'll get filled, which I couldn't do, obviously, because that doesn't really happen.
Right.
I should have stayed in that trade, by the way, because it did go down to where I said it would. Yeah, you also should have got in there over 10, like we said. Yeah, but then you freaking brought it to my attention that I'm breaking my rule. It's past 6 o'clock, so I was like, I'll take it off. Hey, I'm looking out for you, man. If you don't want, someone's got to follow the rules around here. I am a rules follower when it comes to trading. You. That's what I always say. I mean, my one guy who follows the rules is Steve. And every time I break my rule, I could have made more money. True. So I'm looking at you. If you're not interested, then we're just gonna throw the rule book out, and you should be trading right now.
Good morning, Thomas. Good morning, Justin. When you try to go to the gym and there's a giant tree blocking your only way out, get the chainsaw, baby. I can be your workout today.
I think this thing's gonna rock it, bro. The float on it?
Scanner here. Nice and easy.
Was it 18? It wasn't super low. Yeah, 18 mil. Yeah, I like that. It's not super low. It's definitely breaking out. And honestly, I do a trend line from these wicks from the top last 2 spikes. As long as it stays over 550, it's already broken out of there. So it looks like a breakout on the daily. This thing could really fly.
stock itself is called vaccine.
I mean, the stock is called vaccine. I mean, this is what we need today.
Right?
We need a vaccine.
For no other reason. It might not do anything, but I'm gonna buy a vaccine.
Here we go.
Here we go.
Oh yeah, Jag's not gonna be here until later.
That's not what I meant by call him out. So what's it doing?
VCNXM long.
With you?
No, not yet. I'm gonna wait for the first match again.
Good luck, everybody. Good luck, guys.
VCNX $$ on web.
Good luck to you.
The longest minute ever. That's
Jeez.
why I didn't buy the first minute.
Pull back.
Yeah.
Yo, take a look at Futu real quick. Look at that daily.
Lucky
Is this
call that
something
the
worth
400.
a trade?
I mean, not you're not gonna trade it, but
Oh, then I'm not gonna do it.
Lucky called that the 400. Where's it at?
200.
Alright, makes sense. I'm in. All in.
It's PLTR.
Kin up.
JP up?
I don't know about JMP, I'm not watching it.
You're welcome.
Are you not logged on today?
I got my gloves on and it's snowing, so to
Yeah.
try and play around with the phone, I literally can't do it. That's why I'm not doing all my deliveries now. I'm literally here for entertainment purposes. My own, of course, not yours.
I'm in this VXRT, or VCNX, sorry.
Did you get in? Nice.
Yeah.
Where?
Hold up.
Hopefully got a pullback.
I don't know, hold up. Yeah. Hold up. Stop talking to me.
I'm not talking to you.
Quiet. Alright, baby. Out some more.
Let it ride, man, and take 50 at a time.
CTX are up but not yet. VCNX will be refreshing on divs.
What is VCNX? Oh, I'm in that one. TAOP, is that moving? Waiting on the rest of this.
Keep going, man. Keep going. Where's it at now?
7, a little over 7, a little under 7.
Nice.
There we go, over 7.
Leave it to bed.
No shares, float rotation. I think could definitely go.
Let's go, baby. Okay. Off a little more there.
Is it over 8 yet?
That's 635.
Where's it at? Is it over 8?
745, 735, 730. This is the first time, dude, I haven't done this in a minute, man. Where did the bill?
Go.
Alright, she's gotta shut up.
No, you want her to keep telling everybody about it.
I want her to keep telling everybody. I just don't want to keep hearing her scream, VCNX,
Get
VCNX.
started.
She's cheering you on. You ungrateful trader.
Does it really go higher?
$10, baby.
Not straight, bro.
We haven't seen that.
Yeah, state highways, man. They always need something to do.
Straight. Well, yeah, the other day.
Morning,
I got
Augustine.
stuck, went from 9 to 20 in a 1 minute candle.
Nothing's really like moving. Not like we. Nope. Nothing. I was literally just saying to the stream like nothing's moving. Not like I want it to.
VCNX is.
I don't have shares on that, and it's rotated its float, so I wouldn't play that anyway.
Kind of down to my leftovers here, so we'll see what happens.
Still over 7?
Yeah, it's holding 7. If it gets backlisted, I won't be in it. There it goes. Holy shucks.
Holy YouTubers.
Holy shucks, YouTube. Well, I guess we're gonna go for 8 here.
Yeah.
There's another 25 out.
Oh.
And that's all of it, dude. I'm done. That's enough for me. Boom.
Missed can here.
Oh yeah.
Damn it.
Well done, sir. Well done.
Ken with you.
You had a plan. You planned it out this morning before market opened. You were ready.
Missed it?
Yeah, I do that. Those are my favorite days, bro. When I have an idea
Plan.
before the bell even rings.
Literally went right to my line and just pulled it up late.
Stock ahead of. And boom.
That's annoying. Literally right to my line.
What's your highest exit?
$8.
I just didn't have it up. I was scrolling through trying to find something else. And then I saw it pop up on the scanners again, so I pulled it up, and as I pulled it up, it was already coming down. I wanted to see if it would pop back up towards the highs
Still above
there
8 now?
No.
instead of chasing it.
Awesome.
There's the charts.
Ren will be fun.
This is how
Alt.
we do it.
Like no volume
I
there.
wish I had more shares, but trading the first minute, dude. I'm not gonna go in. Oh yeah, dude.
There you go. Good Friday. Good weekend.
It's been a good week. I've had a really good week.
Had a good year.
Yeah. What else is anything else
Ken
moving?
missed the ads. B/E for me.
Not for I.
It's VCNX, man.
Ken $$ for me.
Next leg up.
Yeah, looks like it. Kinda wish it would have chilled out a little more, to be honest.
Did not do another entry.
Kinda.
Check out the gap fill on RENN. Or not RENN, BLU.
All there. XONE.
Can would have worked so nice. I freaking missed the crap out of that one. I was on SSR. Oh, I might not even have got filled. I didn't even notice that was on SSR. Yeah, CAN.
Pull up.
$1.30 we're going to hold. Let's see what it does. Yeah. SFTW doing?
Stupid SSR, in Poland.
Looked like it came out of a Hulk. No,
SFTW
there
up.
it is. We don't have doors, but it's fine. SFTW.
November Golf Alpha Charlie. November Golf Alpha Charlie in that? Just think Amazon is their customer or something like that.
Ren open.
Look at SFTW.
RENN, of course.
W.
Spread the.
God.
Which one are you laughing at?
Oh, this, the scanner's yelling at me.
TAOP open too.
Alright, let's see. What's this thing gonna do? 9.2 is the next.
Float on this one. 8. JFU couldn't give me that 350 pop.
You back in it?
Hold on.
This is kind of a crap morning so far. Only 11 minutes in.
Nope, there it goes. Good job.
All out of my first trade on.
Whoa, SFTW.
Let us go. 922.
SFTW just. What the heck just happened there?
Hold up. Hold up.
Are you in?
Hold up. Yes, I'm in. Alright, I'm out actually.
TAOP in.
I'm out. I don't like what it's doing there, dude. I think that's gonna come down. Yeah, there it goes. Okay.
Did it hit 10?
No. Got up to 840.
Okay.
I had an average. I had my average like 790 something, so I got a little bit out of that one. Alright, what are we looking at? What's SFTW doing?
Went crazy.
You got shorts on that?
Negative Ghost Rider.
No, Vash.
Yes, I just got out, actually.
Good on that. Just a little effy, huh?
That one was crazy.
That was wacky. That thing was wacky yesterday, though. I was doing some weird stuff. Did I short that yesterday?
SFTW
I
hells
remember
yeah.
looking at that yesterday.
Dollar bill y'all.
Good lord, what is this thing doing, huh?
I topped it.
Well done, sir.
Well, pretty close
You
to
all
top.
out of it?
Yeah, I took the whole thing there. I was just looking for the quick flush. I mean, I didn't think after the quick flush it would possibly continue down, but I guess it could, obviously. Would have been nice to still have some.
Oh, PLTR, dude. That thing.
I only had my starter, so whatever.
PLTR is kind of interesting, but cool stuff.
Is this gonna load?
Alright, what else is moving?
TAOP dollar.
SFTW. What did that watt do? Nothing. JMP, nothing. SFTW. Is this a low float match?
TTD price
Uh,
started it.
Which one?
SFTW.
I have 40. The way it went up, it felt like 2.
Did not feel like a low floater. I mean,
I did.
feel like
Yeah, it rocketed up there.
Carrot on earnings FYI.
I have much less than what you're saying. I have
What is it?
1.6 million, dude.
Yes, okay, so that makes sense. I said it felt like 2.
Yeah, it's a low floater, dude. And that's looking at your thing where it gives me 4 of them. One of them had 36 million, but I can apply the availables. And the other 2 said 2 million.
Apparently float on SFTW is actually closer to 2M not 40M.
So she's a low float. I don't know.
Carrot we LOL.
Keep an eye on this VC and X, I guess.
But did you die?
I hate on this. Okay.
Just saying for possible second round that you know what's up.
VC and X.
CLSK getting beat down. Could see recovery. Let's see.
SFTW heading back up? No.
That's a looks like a hangover play to me. Something that's gonna probably fade a little bit today. Tried to go higher and couldn't. It's usually a sign of a fade. Is this chart actually gonna work now? Like, I don't understand what's wrong. Is anybody else's UAMY chart all messed up?
Yeah, mine was earlier.
UAMY?
Yeah. Is it just because it's literally had no volume and now all of a sudden it's getting volume?
It looks like there was a halt or something in there.
Well, there was, and it's halting again now. But when I pull the chart up, it only gives me 4 bars.
I only got 4 bars too, yeah.
Yeah, like when I scrolled out, I'm guessing it's just because there's like no volume, like the previous days. I don't know. It just halted again.
CCL just did something. Oh wow, CCL just did something.
It's not on the scanner. It's weird. It does look like it should be. RCL just popped up too.
Not have shorts on TCL.
No clue, bro.
I remember not having shorts on CCL a lot of the time. You would always have them on RCL, but not CCL.
Yeah, it's like we don't have AAL, but we have DAL, which is also breaking out. But it's not a big move up right now for you. It looks more like a long. What's going on? It's like airfare back in action or something?
Yeah, it could have been some like something passed or something. Who knows?
I'm trying to move this stuff up. Nope. Oh shit. Sorry, YouTube. Oh my god, VCNX.
Going to the moon.
Hey, Riot's had it back up. Does that mean Bitcoin's going up?
I see this every day.
Out all ran.
Oh yeah, what did Ren do? Just chopping.
Come on. Alright, I just took VCNX off for a small win.
It's so weird that it pops up like that.
It's gonna go, man. I should have got in down here, but I didn't have the chart up. That's what I get for looking at stupid DAL. Dude, my entry was $8. Felt I chased it, so I took it off. There's the pullback.
Still got 2 minutes here for you, Amy. I don't really know where that thing's gonna go.
The DAL dude, make it going. Yeah.
For you guys watching, if you don't mind, hit that like button. I appreciate it. Also, don't forget about the Friday night live stream tonight.
SSR off.
Tonight, if you're here for the scanners, you might as well show up tonight for the scanners as well, because we'll be doing a week of the Team ISW giveaway, so you have a chance to be in the room with us, get all the good scanners.
50, huh?
922 is my next line in the sand. EOLS just opened up out of a halt and is dropping.
Yeah, if you were on crazy leftovers, you should have just held on to those crazy leftovers. Especially on the float rotate. Just forget about it. Just put a trail on it or something.
EOLS, dude, I don't know how you feel about that, but there's no volume in it right now. It's actually not bad. It's been halted all morning.
The heck?
It looks like it just came out of a news halt, maybe.
Yeah.
No, that's not your typical move, though, because it's just out of a halt.
Yeah. Gap fill?
I know, the gap fill would be nice, huh? Dude, it might. That would be insane, man.
You do it all the time, man.
Bummer, dude. Ah. I guess here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You, Amy, is about to start back up.
I don't know if news halts work the same as for the gap fills. It's more like a gap up. So it looks like it was closed in pre-market or something. Yeah, I should have held those leftovers, dude. I mean, I never came back.
No! I was about to try to get in.
And what?
You, Amy. I missed it. It was struggling right above the open price, and it just dumped. Damn it. I changed my share size, and that's what caused it. I was literally about to hit the button. I was on my way to hit it, and then it dumped. Snooze, you lose. Oh, that one's frustrating. I really was. I was literally, I put my shares, I was going to hit short ask. That was what exactly, I was doing it. And I literally, as I typed it in and went to go click it, it dumped. Damn. Guess I should have already had my share size in. Oh, that's, bleh.
Total miss.
Might even get the halt down. Geez, you, Amy, going for the gap fill. That's crazy, man. I can't. I'm so annoyed that I missed that. I would have only took half off there, looking to see if it filled the gap, just because, and there it is. All right. Damn it.
LOL gap fill. Yup. Taking all there.
Is this your Charlie?
No.
Average volume of 550,000 on BCNX, now at 110 million. This is saying this thing has a crap ton of volume.
That's so frustrating.
Ears up for out of the halt.
Oh yeah, I forgot about ears.
Pull back.
It's a lower float, but
Light
it's could do the same exact thing.
I mean, I know it's already really run, but
Looks like ears is longer than a 5-minute halt.
oh, what else is moving up, man?
CRMD, but slowly grinding, not a lot of volume. Ears.
Orders in through 5.50.
What is your can doing for the can? Can is going higher.
Oh yeah, it's trying. I missed the move on that one earlier.
Days are fun.
This thing can actually get some volume.
Stupid amount of volume in this VCNX, huh?
No, I'm not even watching it.
It's 114 million.
EOLS up. Halt 2.
Question is, what the heck is not on SSR today?
Yeah, why is everything on SSR? Because I noticed like a lot of charts are on SSR that don't even look like they should be on SSR.
Yeah, I mean the lower price stocks, it's a lot easier to go down 10%.
But I mean, they don't look like they should be on
XNET
SSR on the daily.
9.50 orders
They
in.
don't look like they were down. I'm like, why is this on SSR?
Right.
Been up
Oh,
for
wow.
4 days in a row.
Yeah. That EOLS actually halted again.
I haven't figured out when they come off SSR or what the deal
It's
with that
the
is.
second day. So if it goes if it goes on SSR yesterday and then all day today it trades higher, it turns off the next day. So tomorrow it would be off, or Monday. So it's like it needs a full trading day of not being negative. Yeah. I don't even think it has to be above anything. It just has to not go down 10% again.
Okay. So it could literally stay in the same.
Yeah, like it could go down 9.9% on the day, and then Monday it would still come off. That's my understanding of it.
I was looking at one earlier. It didn't look like that, but who knows? I could be wrong.
Yeah, I'm sure there was a dip somewhere. I've seen times where like at the open, it dips to like right to 10%. I wonder if like people actually use that as a strategy. Yeah. Because it puts it on SSR. Well, yeah, because if you think about it, if it panic sells down to where it's down 10% on the day, and SSR gets put on, then people can't panic sell anymore. Well, I mean, they can panic sell, but people can't short it anymore while it's going down anyway. So it's a little bit of an advantage for those people that are looking to buy the dip.
So with TAOP.
Big run pre-market, gave it all back, and now it's trying to go back up. It's a lower float. It's about to rotate right now, actually.
And up to 11. Trying to get back up.
Here's in.
CATB.
Ditto.
I'm either gonna miss this one or get a much better entry, because I feel like this one's gonna go a little higher. Dang, EOLS gapped up.
Who did?
EOLS. It's trying to halt again.
There goes that BC, whatever that thing's called.
ELOS.
That's a big problem.
You're welcome. Have a good one.
I should have bought that. Maybe not. Look at my dude, come on that 935 area.
EOLS halting again.
That's not a small float, huh?
It's 34. I see 34.
Carrot with you into the halt. BCNX scooping.
Ugh, did that really just miss us like that? Should we go for the gap fill?
That's what I see.
I was just trying to front run the whole dollar there.
EOLS. I got 21. Makes no sense. Thing halted up again.
Yeah, I'm in it.
EOLS. Big gap up. I wonder what the news was on that. That's some concern, I would say. Cola is gonna buy steak and body armor. You were short the eels.
EOS.
That's a big gap up, dude.
Yeah.
Self-questions.
we can get through 20, we should get our fill. I think it's gonna pop down there towards 5. It's gotta get through 20. There we go.
TTD paying sell.
Camo. On the bid. There we go. Take our half there. Looking for the gap fill. And there's the gap fill.
Here's Josh A. Dollar bill.
So I'm out of ears.
AHH that feeling LOL.
Nice
Money back,
one,
money
brother.
back, money back, money back, money back, money back.
Now we just need EOLS to do its thing.
Heavy dollar sign, heavy dollar sign, heavy dollar sign, heavy dollar sign.
Heavy dollar sign. Need to reset the chart on this one. Okay.
We need an emote for pennies for us little guys, LOL.
What's up?
That hold.
You got out of heels already?
I'm out of ears. EOLS hasn't opened yet. It's got a minute.
Years.
I was in ears as well. Hey, it's still going. I got my gap fill on ears. Could have got more apparently. I should have known that it was probably going to go lower because it's a trash company.
Does it what?
Trash company.
It's an FRSX.
Let's move it down here. Just easier on my eyes.
Nope. The hell's up with that? There's some weird looking stocks today, bro. Tiger's up big.
What's the imbalance on EOLS? Well, it's about to unhalt anyway. Don't worry about
I don't know.
it. It was like right there. I got my first fill. Like almost bottom tick that first fill.
EOLS open.
FRX, Thomas. Did you get
At the
that?
70.
That didn't even pop up on my scanner.
So it should've. Got volume.
Come on, give us that pop.
Yeah, that is weird.
Pop through 1250 is what we were looking for.
Oh, I bet you money it's because it's a newer IPO and there's probably no float listed on your scanner. I've noticed when there's those newer IPOs with no float, they normally don't pop. I heard Trade Ideas has the same issue.
Dude, that is gorgeous.
Yeah, that is all you, bro. That's what it is. There's no float listed yet. Trade Ideas is the same. It won't pop unless, although it did pop. I heard it on Trade Ideas. I don't know.
Damn, I was about to try to get the ad there. I was seeing if it wanted to try to go into the halt.
Oh, dude, Thomas.
Shut up, Devin, I'm watching it.
What are you watching?
FRX.
Oh yeah, I missed that.
Volume? No, it didn't pop on your scanners.
Didn't pop on the scanner.
Fake out breakout here.
Called it, but it was a little late. It was already down to like 1670s. Now that looks fine. EOLS going back up.
Yeah, by the time 30s.
SHT up.
You'll be on your leftovers by now, huh?
Yeah, I took it off my screen. I went to go look for that one that you were trading this morning.
DCNX?
I know it. Yeah, that might be it. I know it started with a V.
I'm keeping an eye on that one actually, because I think it's still gonna go. This EOLS looks like she don't want to quit either.
Keeps struggling when it gets high a day though. It's twice now. It got rejected pretty good.
Oh, we got shorts on this one, dude. I don't know if this is Colin Thomas's name, but
Which one?
EOLS. Can short it. I just don't know if he won.
I'm surprised you weren't interested in that out of that halt there, Thomas.
EOLS?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm still undecided on them halt plays. Even though I've been green
Yeah.
on every one I've tried, I'm still not 100% confident on them.
Wish I would have got my ad up there. That would have been nice, but or another ad. I'm just being patient with these. I got a feeling this is going to come back down towards 1150. Here we go.
EOLS payday.
Just wish I would have got the ad on it. That would have been nice. I would have probably took that ad back off right here. Come on, give me that 12 flush, baby. Let's go.
Where'd you start in at?
Average is at 1320.
Nice.
I started it right around where it's at now, but I got to add up towards 14 into the halt.
Back to $, on way.
And then I got to cover right out of the halt for half my shares, so now I'm looking to get the rest down towards 1150. Which I could probably even go lower, to be honest, if it can break this $12.
Watch it, VCNX.
Yep.
Should have took another half there. Doesn't. It's struggling. Oh, there we go. Come on. Let's get down through 12. If it doesn't go right to my order, I'll probably take half off and see if we can ride the other leftovers out. It's really struggling here, though.
I'm watching.
It's 1220. It's got to get through. There we go. Come on. Down to 12. There we go.
This one's hard for me, like that EOLS you're in. I'm trying to. It's hard to play that for me as somebody who looks for just patterns. There is no pattern.
Take half there. Let's try to ride the rest out.
Like up into this 14 area if you're interested.
I'll give it a little bit of room. I'm not looking to stop out. I'm on my leftovers now. I took another half off there when it wouldn't break 12.
Yeah, another spike up to that, like 14. Yeah, that would be, to me there's a lot of resistance there on the daily. Get a foot up there.
Out all VCNX.
DCNX said nope. Not yet.
Let's put a trail on this. A nice $2 trail. How about that?
don't understand how they can do that. White House is working with Google to tackle
See if we can ride that thing all the way down.
misinformation on COVID. Then, like, I mean, are they just gonna say you can't say what you want on Google anymore?
TTD leftovers on a trail.
Oh man, I should have shorted FRSX or FRX on that retest. Oh, that's a miss.
STBX, ST blocks quitting now regarding his project. Construction project at STBX, ST blocks getting some volume here, moving higher. He's off one way trade at STBX.
GBX, nope. Oh, nice, good stuff. Oh, FRX, man, that's not, I don't know how to. It even gave the retest. Did you get that, Thomas?
I'm gonna say which one, so that's gonna be no.
FRX on that retest.
Which one?
FRX went, tried to go back out and failed.
No, I didn't even have it up, bro. That's typically not my play. That sloppy seconds type.
Nothing crazy today. It's been a little slow.
If you're still in it from the
I
original,
played
cool, but
ears and EOLS a little bit more on the cautionary side,
Move,
just with the halts.
You know, 50, 25% off.
We're a little bit
Because
smaller
you
on the
tell me-
size.
Yeah, then I'll jump back in. I'll
do you
start it over.
do you add to it as it goes to the top again?
Well, if it jumps up closer to high day, I literally forget about my leftover shares and just start the trade all over again. Gotcha.
STKL.
Just trying to see how you play it.
STKL. STKL.
Look at the volume on that. It's such crap.
ELWD,
Disregard that. It's some OTC stock. Like, I don't talk about OTC stocks.
We can get the move up towards 1650.
I didn't take that one, dude. You getting that one, Thomas?
Yeah, I'm in it.
I so debated, but I was a wuss. Oh, VCNX, where you going?
Ren being stupid with no volume as well.
RENN.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's low volume too, huh?
Ren RD2 up.
What's that CBAT doing? That was decent amount of volume. That's ugly. HSTO. It's $1.97.
Yeah, I just pulled that one up too. It's slow.
Closer to 12 would be amazing.
You know how I feel about those cheapos.
Never mind LOL.
Hated it. going?
Yep. I got a $2 trail on it.
She looks super exciting right now.
That's kind of what I'm hoping, is that people are like, okay, party's over. Back to $8. Looking for that gap fill, man. Final take profit, 774.
Are you thinking she's gonna go all the way down there?
If my gap fill theory wants to be proven right.
So, but it had 2 other halts. So you're saying it will go through both? Like,
Yeah, so did that one yesterday, or the day before, PBTS or whatever. Remember, that gapped up and then gapped up again. And then it actually took until the next day, but it did eventually get down there. I'm not going to hold this overnight, but I probably could.
But if it doesn't bounce, you'll hold it till the end of the day at least?
Yeah, I'll probably hold this, yeah, as long as it keeps working its way down. My stop is now basically to my average, so that's good. Average is 1320, stop's now at 1360. Oh wow, Ren's actually moving now. Yeah, Ren is spready. Might be a little careful with this one too, because of the spread.
Charlie's calling up some low volume stocks now. I hope he does that, and I'm super happy.
With you.
EWNLU, Tailwind International Acquisition Shares only at $10.60, price at $10.60.
I just don't like how slow this Ren is moving. It's like, that's a big move, but it's just slow.
Here's taking all.
ANCN, Anciano Therapeutics, continuing the top tier, borrow for hitting high 488. Now, sorry, remember?
You're not supposed to pop back up like that. What are you doing? Better reject VWAP, mister. I'm gonna leave Ren alone. I'm not really interested. It's not really making me feel comfortable as it gets slammed there. Nice, good for Brian and David. I wasn't feeling that one at all. Yeah, look, I mean, just look at it. It just keeps getting bought right back up. Just not interested. Here we go with Can again.
$dollar.
Can. It's going high a day.
Ren musical note fireworks fire money back raising hands thumbs up. La hacka hack ha.
Can. 17. pretty tough not to take some off, but really have enough to take any off. It'd be a lot different if I still had like 50 shares. If I had a added 0 in here, right? Because then you could take half and be okay with it. So we know it got to 11.50. We got the $2 trail, so we always know how low it went. Just subtract 2 from where the stop is, so we can get through 11.50. So be looking pretty nice. Definitely some bag holders at this point in time. There's a lot of volume on those candles up here. It'll be real tough for them to get back up there. It's definitely working in our favor. Almost got the ad up there too, which would have been nice, but not going to complain. There's the 11.50 break. You got some people way underwater at this point. If it wants to try to go right to this downward halt at 10.55, we're probably just going to take it. Or maybe I'll just take the majority off just to see if I can get the gap fill. Got popped back up there.
I'm getting hungry way too early.
Renlock and Trail.
With my VC whatever. Oh, it's dying.
Alright. We're gonna do that, and then now I really just don't care. I'll keep the same trail.
I went down early on a Friday.
I am all cash except STKL. Looking for ads there.
Seems that way.
Did you get Remvash?
I did not like how that was trading. That thing felt like it could just squeeze at any time. It kept getting propped.
Threw a little bit in here with you on this EOLS.
I took another lock there when it tried to go back through 11.50. I still have, now I'm down to like super leftovers. I'm going for the full gap fill on these. Oh man.
Oh, there's a big one.
Yeah. Wish I would have waited for that. It felt like it might try to go back up towards 12 though. No biggie.
Oh, I took some off there, dude. This is just like we'll see if see if it works straight. If I can get down to $10, I'll be all out. Got an 11.50.
I just didn't like how it got through that 11.50. It went through like twice, and then it went through that third time after the big drop. It felt like it was going to try to go higher, But that's why I only took half instead of all of it, just in case it failed.
That's where I got in.
Oh, really? That's funny. You took my shares, man. Yeah, what up, Jag?
Too much. How's it going this morning for everybody?
Not shabby.
Yeah, it seems to be going well. I'm looking for a gap fill on EOLS. That gap up. Think we're gonna get it? Well, go look at it.
I'm just looking for $10. I'm just looking for $10.
I'm going for the full Monty.
EOLS.
You got in higher and made money all the way down.
Yeah, I mean my average is 13.20.
Oh, you're
So-
about that?
yeah, but I've been in it. Yeah, my average is 13.20. Really wish I would have held those shares.
That's good.
Yeah, I'm down to like extreme leftovers.
I probably have more than Vesh.
Yeah, I would say so. I literally have 2 shares left.
Are you kidding me?
What'd you start with?
10 and 10. I started with 10, got a 10 ad. I mean, hey, it's gonna end up being about almost half goal in one trade, so can't really complain.
Yeah, I can't go wrong there.
I'm not at Devon size, okay? I took 3 take profits at this point, so that's why I'm down that far.
Okay.
And I didn't start with that much anyway.
Where'd you get in at, Devin?
11.52.
Yeah.
I already took the profit too when I got on the 11 there. I'm down to 200 shares. See if I can get a profit 10 and I'll just say thank you. Back over 11, I'm probably just gonna cut it though.
It's going to the moon.
Let's say I'm in the in this one for the long
Going
haul.
for the long haul, yeah.
At this point, yeah. Or it stops me out. I do have a trail on it, which is now at 12.66. It's a $2 trail.
KOPN watching. Nothing there yet though for
I'm
me.
actually gonna make this 11.20.
Yeah.
That is my. That's where my 9 is. So if we get the back of both the 9, I'm gonna call it a day.
My 9's at 11.43, 11.41, 11.40.
Because you got the 2 up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I use exponential. I think you use simple.
I've actually switched to the exponential and taken off all that crazy rainbow crap because I realized that the top line was the 9 exponential.
Gotcha.
I think it was actually the 8 exponential, but I just do the 9 exponential on it. Seems to do the same trick because I don't need all those lines. I just need that line.
Yeah.
That line seems to be the main one. I got the 9 and the 20 on there. The only nice thing about that is if I'm just looking, if I got like 4 charts up, you can really kind of see when something pops out of those freaking moving averages.
Right.
You know, it kind of makes it super.
Wait,
evident.
why
It's
is-
just picked it up.
I'm looking at my scanner and I see NCTY. It says it's $77.
No, it is not.
Yes, it does say that.
MCTY is at $77. What?
I saw that and I was like, is that an error?
What?
It's $11 today.
That's
Okay, this was
crazy.
at $5 at the beginning of the year.
It was at $2. $3. $3. Like this, there's so many of these stocks doing this. Like I just don't get it.
Fudge, bro, that's insane. When did that happen?
Over the course of the last couple months. That's
I don't
crazy.
know how I didn't see that though. Like, how did that skip me? That this
It
thing
just gradually did it.
Wow, dude. I remember that stuff. VCMX is just dying.
That's what I'm saying. Every time I would see this thing pop up on my scanners, it was like $3, and I'm like, oh, okay. That was back when I wasn't even thinking of trading something that low.
This is starting to bug me.
Yeah, it's gonna be a slow one from here. It lost all of its volume, but that's a good thing.
Get below this 1050s, and then I wouldn't mind holding it a little longer.
I mean, the reason I took my half is because of that halt price. It filled that gap at 11.17. It like went right to it. That candle went to 11.13 and then started to bounce. So that's when I was like, okay, I'll take some off there. I know, but look how heavy it looks.
I know.
I'm telling you, man. 773 or 774 will be my cover.
One of those, it's hard not to just lock in the profit and call it a day.
Well, that's why I went down to extreme leftovers. Just do that. Just take more off.
I wish it was down towards 1050. P&L's right in this dude for sure. They don't even care.
Bitcoin futures now above 54,000.
Bitcoin futures going up. BTC. What is Riot doing?
Yeah, hanging out around 73. It's going up a little bit right now. I guess it's gone up $1 in 3 minutes.
Getting better when I'm like green on a trade, not having to like just stare and salivate at it. That used to be what I would do in every trade. DPSI on heavy volume? We got shorts on that?
No.
Then I will hang out in this thing a little bit longer. Sandy Papa Golf Sandy uniform? Oh, that's something coming.
Letters in that.
I know. That always freaks me out when you assume the letters.
PPSI stalking it.
Who?
Ebon. Now, Ebon's running a
XNET
little bit.
stalking it too.
We have no shorts though. Need to extend a little bit more.
Kinda gotta pee, which makes me kinda wanna get out of this trade. Oh, there it goes. Alright, dude, I'm seriously gonna pee. Just scream if this thing goes up. Don't. I'm not gonna pee.
You're not gonna
Oh,
fish.
nope. I'm not gonna pee yet. Oh, this
Put a plant on it.
Put a plant next to your desk. Shit. That's what everyone always used to tell me. You just need to put a plant next to your desk.
Oh! I'm taking this off for $10, man, because that's actually a pretty damn big winner.
Just take a lot of it off. Leave some.
I'm gonna do 100.
How many shares do you got?
200 left.
200? Yeah, take like take 175. Then just have fun with the rest.
TGC only 10k tomorrow.
Imagine how cool it'll look on your chart when you cover at 774.
I do think about that stuff sometimes, but I'd like there to actually be some sort of size on it.
20 if you have 25 shares from 10 to 774, it's another $60.
A little bit up there, I'm gonna pee.
Just lock it in. Pay yourself. That's what it's all about. I would if I could. I only got 2 shares left. I can't really do that anymore.
You could take one.
Okay, now at that point, it's a little ridiculous because now I'm not even covering commissions.
To the moon.
That's true.
Say PPSI.
That was the find of the day.
I didn't flush nor wash my hands.
I didn't find it. The scanners found it. Link in the description below.
Scanners come up with a lot of stuff, man. You read it well. Good job, man.
Thanks, man.
Boom! Now I got 150 left. I only took 50 off, so.
There you go. Just keep taking 50 off on the way down. Every half dollar, take 50 off. It's $25. But then you're still leaving yourself size. This is obviously for entertainment purposes only. You do exactly what you want to do, Devin.
Hey Besh, thanks for telling me what to do in this trade.
No, definitely did not do that. I just told you what I would do because I am actively in the trade as well.
I appreciate the investment advice.
Devin, you take it back.
I kid. I do what I want.
I like the stock. Oh, you guys probably don't. I'll say you guys probably don't get that. That's the meme from all the Wall Street bettors with GME.
Oh, because that's what they were saying. I like this stock.
Yeah, they were trying to say that they weren't being influenced by anybody. They just simply like the stock.
That's what the guy said in the meeting yesterday.
Yeah, that's why he said it. He was memeing the crap out of him. That was also why he said I'm not a cat. it was why he said a bunch of things. He had the bandana hanging from his whiteboard in the background, and there was a picture of a cat saying "Hang in there."
Shut up.
Yeah, he was memeing the crap out of that meeting. It was so funny. You could see at one point, I forget what he said, but he tried so hard to not laugh. Like you could tell that he was about to laugh.
Because he was just effing with him.
Yeah.
That's hilarious. What is Viot doing? Nothing.
This PPSI is actually trying to do something. Just wish it would get some volume.
Shorty shorts. I don't know if it went along you long. No, it didn't go long. What is home doing? I heard that on the piano in the morning.
Home?
Not much. Yeah. This trade's kind of working out, man.
Look at CASA. CASA.
CASA.
Yeah,
Yeah, we got shorts on that, but I don't know what that thing did.
Damn, Jag, you got really excited for that one. What the heck?
I something had a short on it. Again, I haven't been for a moment. Remember, a couple of days we haven't had shorts really on any.
He just pulls it up, doesn't even look at the chart. He's like, shorts! Shorts! CASA! CASA!
Get short! I'm all in! What is it? Doesn't matter, just short it, you can.
Got an F by the name. Sorry. Welcome back.
Trade.
Lamp
I like
walks
this
in,
stuff.
we're all just immediate dick to him.
I'm out.
Simca.
Hurting my feelings.
Wait, so it's Simca? There's no HR in there?
He has told
I'm
you
saying it like you guys.
It's not Simca.
Yes, I know.
It's,
Shlimpka. Shlimpka.
SAVR does not have a lot of volume, but it is definitely in an area of interest for going long, in my opinion.
Whose opinion would you be giving?
I'm just letting people know it's in my opinion, not investment advice. This is just something that I think kind of looks interesting. Where the hell's my crosshair? There it is. Uh-oh. What is the EOLS doing?
Going up. Back up to 12.
Shut up. I don't like that it is going up at all, though.
It's supposed to go straight down.
Yeah, exactly.
Fingering repeats sustained 2% inflation is 2 years out.
What do you guys think? BCNX is just gonna come back from this $3 drop and go to
That
highs?
would have been nice.
I'm in it.
Are you really in it?
I mean,
What-
yeah, we
what
did
is it?
that, right?
Oh yeah.
You didn't hear him before?
You need to get your hearing aid checked.
Where did he say he was in it, bro? Or you guys
Yeah.
screwing me?
No. We are completely screwing with you. He didn't mention it until now.
Okay. I'm like, really
I don't even know what ticker you're talking about.
VCNX. I got when you were like bad mouthing it about like 5 minutes ago. 10 minutes
VCNX?
ago. Yeah.
Oh, the crazy one?
For me, I took it. I locked in the extra $100 on it. I don't like what it's doing.
It's not a great. It's not a good move.
I will post my trade.
SNDL is the one with all the volume again today. VCNX is in second. Plitter is in third.
Yeah, see, I got out before it did that. I feel good about my decision.
You mean the fake out through 11?
I don't care. I don't want to be in this thing all day. I'm not holding 2 shares.
Me either. I mean, me either. I'd rather it go to 774 like right now, but...
BORR 1.60s, please.
Enough profit on them. I'm just trying to make more money there.
I know, I'm just having fun with it.
Yeah. I mean, you can see why I got out of that. But, I mean, that was curling for sure.
I thought I was going to get out of it too. Like every inkling in me was saying get out if it broke, what is this? Oh yeah, $11, because that's where it was trying to, or wait, no, 1065 was where I was looking, where it formed support.
Though, man. I got out right before it made a freaking, what, 40, 50-cent run?
What was your order?
What was my order?
Yeah, that you got out at.
I don't know. I just hit the button at 1080.
Okay. I was saying 1065. The 1065 break is what I was looking at and thinking about getting out if it broke that. Because that was like, to me, that was what should have held it down. Well, it can't even get to my stop. It would have to halt. Oh, 1213. Yeah, I'm not either. Be kind of a bummer if it just went up $2 and stopped me out though.
Just because of what it's done today, I don't know what it's gonna do.
It still can't get to me yet without halting.
How'd that VCNX trade go, bro?
CABT up.
You out of it?
Well, I covered some
CAT
at 7.
OMG.
The weirdest trades, bro. That thing doesn't even look like it was wasn't even a dump. Unless you got in, did you go in way back here, like when it dumped?
Yeah, I got in after it dumped.
Okay, so you were in like 680.
Yeah, now it's going up a lot.
You say it's going up a lot?
Yeah.
Are you looking at VCNX?
Yeah, because I added again.
I'm like, I see a 30-cent range from the bottom to the top. It's going up, but I can't call it a lot.
ICD Tish.
I can't take those trades.
Yeah, I wasn't kidding. EOLS is almost a 12.
Huh?
Yeah, it did get up. It did get up there.
Yeah, I'm out.
Yeah, that was a couple minutes early.
NVCN is ticking a bit higher according to Charlie. Means it probably is not worth looking at.
That wasn't a bad trade. Wasn't great, but not terrible.
First trade of the day. Is that
Yeah.
first?
Yeah, $47.
That's the start, bro.
And one that didn't really move at all.
VCNX, man, that first trade was awesome.
Here, you got the big move, right?
Yeah,
Dude,
see,
I was
this
almost
break
that whole
1065 held
thing
there.
up.
That was definitely where you,
And I got a little bit of a second
if you were
move.
looking to take profits, that would have been the spot.
On a little
I
bit.
saw it. I just want to ride this thing. Either it stops me out or we get to move all the way back down.
That was it.
What's Riot doing? It dropped.
WRN not
Now it's
big
coming
enough,
back
but
up.
also not SSRLOL. Just stalking it.
What's CAN doing?
Yeah, like Jag's looking for charts that or tickers that don't, or that have shorts, and I'm just looking for tickers that don't have SSR. I see one of those, I get excited.
Hey, look at CASA, CASA. We should have taken it.
Yeah, but there's no trade in there.
No, we should have taken the short when it was up.
I know, but to me, there's no trade in there. I don't see the short in there. You see things way differently than I do.
I would have been looking when it was moving up to get in right around when it topped out at 1190.
Not I. Now, if it would have ran to 13 from there, yeah, if that would have. I don't. No, I didn't.
It was low bottom.
Said Lance is playing that channel. It's in that channel, that uptrend channel.
Yeah, it's in an uptrend channel. I mean, I can see that.
I play not channels. I play the breakout of those channels. Like if you put the Bollinger Bands on your chart, that's probably where the tops of those candles go. I'm looking for it to go through the Bollinger Bands.
You want it higher.
Yeah, like that same move that Jag brought up, if that would have went through 12 up to 1250, 13, then that's I would have been interested. Yeah.
No, you want the extreme move. You don't want the typical move. If it's in the same principle, then you should have long it here, you know? Casa's a great long right here. Because it could go back up to $12.
Yeah.
I mean, or it could go down to 850.
Or it could break through it and dump, yeah. But I'm saying if you're trying to just play a channel trade,
yeah.
You would long it here, and if it broke down below 1130, you'd be out. I only like those when the channel's huge, or like, you know, if I see like something just banging back and forth, and there's like a dollar in between them, that's cool. I feel like those can break it in a minute.
You like it when it's banging in between?
I like when it's banging in between. YouTube, Jag, jeez.
He's got to catch up. He wasn't here all morning.
Rimka.
CCIV dropping.
CCIV.
I would like more of a drop personally, but that's just me.
That sure gives me a headache.
I wish you could put an order in where it's a trail, but also you can put a take profit in. So like like say I want a $2 trail, it'll trail down from $2, but I can have a take profit at wherever I want. So if it hits that take profit, it'll take it and then get rid of the trail.
Yeah. Yeah. That doesn't exist. It should.
Yeah, it should be like a range. Like it should just be called a range trail order, I guess.
Yeah.
Like so we have a ranging trail.
Well, kind of. I mean, the point, like, look at EOLS. Like, I don't want to sit here and pay attention to it. I want to put my take profit at 774, but I also want to keep my trail in. But you have to do those separately. So if I'm not paying attention to it, say it goes down to 774, gets me out, like, would the stop still be there? AKA, it'll go long if it comes back up and hits it? Yeah.
Where when it gets triggered on one side, the other order's eliminated.
Correct.
EBTS. Nope.
But the chance of it getting down to $7 and whatever, and then just bouncing back up to wherever what is your stop at?
XNET almost.
Hey, it happened yesterday on G Sky. Remember? It was down and did that giant spike on me yesterday.
That is definitely not the huge.
No, it's not.
I don't see that happen often.
I couldn't believe that happened. What am I doing?
I'm bored now, dude.
Yeah.
XNET started. Ooh, SSR.
You gave me a little bit of money on that trade, and I got to not stare at this boring market for a second.
Yeah, if this thing gets through 12, it's probably going to stop me out.
Earnings are out now. Shares were halted.
There it goes. It's trying. Stop is at 1232.
Stop at 4.24 billion lira. Versus the profit of 3.25 billion lira a year ago.
1232, you're calling it a day?
Oh, that's where my trail got to, so it must have went down to 1032.
Tango Kilo Charlie again. Shares were halted ahead of that news. Tango Kilo Charlie. Company sees 2021 revenue growth of 14 to 16.
SNDL has 337 million shares traded in a 20-cent range. I just don't understand that. Oh, it's going to stop me out. Oh, I'm on the ask. Oh, yep, there it is.
All out EOLS.
Well, that's gay. I was hoping that would have been a much bigger winner. I'll have to check that like tomorrow or something, just out of curiosity. This thing could actually run again now, if it wants to. That's pretty good. Hold.
Ren taking all there.
I think you get back over 13. She's probably going back to high.
Yeah.
Kind of where I'd be looking along.
Well, it's trying.
Not
NCTY, $79.
SYPR, Separate Solutions, getting a pop on chat room mention, Sandy Yankee, Papa Romeo.
SYPR?
If you have shares, Vish.
I like how he said on chat room mention.
Like somebody's talking about this thing.
Oh, there goes EOLS.
SYPR starter. Really want bigger.
EOLS is making a nice little move here.
I just don't like, I mean, VWAP is literally caught up to SYPR there. It's like, because all the volume was there. There was nothing before it. Just not a fan.
No, it is not a friendly looking thing.
Scalp on the EOLS.
MKGI X.20 orders into start.
Yeah, Brian had the same idea. Ugh, look at the spread on that. Ew. This XNET is just grinding.
Alright, I took $40.
Hey, you got it in that long?
Huh? No, short.
Ah, okay.
Ah, I should have held it. It just looked like it was going to kind of try to push back up. And then 9 was moving its way up. Kind of wanted to see that pull back down to like 12-ish. It just wasn't happening fast enough.
Electronics, expands support support for
Little extra money,
wireless
dude.
charging solutions with Stellan's HPC series of high temperature capacitors that
Oh,
echo leak
there it
over
is, dude. I was in there. 1278. Oh, that would have been decent, dude.
Shares of Richardson Electronic getting a pop here on volume, $7.47, and halted on a circuit breaker.
What is it?
I don't know.
Richardson Electronics?
That's RELL.
RELL, REL.
Shares up 13.5%. Again, halted on a circuit breaker.
We have shorts on that.
Yep, it's halted.
EV wireless charging solution.
They have something for EV wireless solutions.
I have to get the ask here too. I just realized.
They're kind of a big
Ooh, VLDR.
TLDR?
We have shorts on it?
Yeah.
Apple. Bloomberg
I don't know about that one, dude. I'm not.
sensors may highly customize them. Apple enforces LiDAR suppliers for self-driving car. Apple car project remains several years from launch. That's AAPL.
It's like off the bottom. Here we go with XNET.
You jumping that one, Vesh?
No, I don't really like the daily on that one. If he wants to blow through 2150, I might be interested.
It's news as well. Charlie just said something about it.
Yeah.
VLDR.
I don't like those double tops, like the big intense moves, the double tops like that, because then they can really blow the top.
Something to do with the Apple car and them, I don't know.
I tried to get it at 2144, but didn't get it.
LAZR is going crazy. Laser. Oh, this is all about the Apple car, dude.
This is just too slow for me. I'm not going to leave it. There it goes. Alright. I'm going to leave XNET alone. It's not really my trade.
Oh, there it goes, right through there. Saw your order in there, ain't it?
I didn't. I took it off.
I don't think that one, dude.
What's the float on this? Says it's big.
159,
Yeah,
theoretically.
it says it's big, but it doesn't feel like it.
69 million? 50 million? Something? It's on Apple news, man.
Yeah.
That'll move the stock.
Did you get in that, Thomas?
VLDR $. Fake out breakout.
I'm pretty sure Thomas was already in it.
And this is the same thing. It's just all these companies make those parts that Apple's gonna need. They're in talks looking for them. I think all these companies make those sensors for the electronic vehicles that drive themselves.
Shares of fiber, SBRR dropping on that. Victor Romeo. Shares of fiber coming back here on volume. $314 now on fiber. Again, the information reporting that Microsoft LinkedIn is developing a new service for freelancers that will compete with fiber.
XNET to the moon.
What are you doing?
Making eggs. This VLDR, man, I mean, up at like maybe 2235, 2230s. If you could sit there, it might be interesting. And that would be a big move.
I'm all out of it. I'm green on it. I'm just watching it for this next move.
VLDR.
I like 22. Am I asking for way too much? I don't think so.
Good enough. I was just looking to scalp it. And pop right back up. Could kind of feel it base in there. Didn't want to keep going there. At least not at that moment. Ooh, VLDR with the big slam.
Yeah, looks like a
BLDR like a fiddle. Scalp XNET.
Said asset valuation pressures that return to
Carrot boom.
exceeded pre-pandemic levels in most markets.
Did you get in, Thomas?
Nah, I missed that.
I like it over 22, man. Like, I need to see a big spike to get me in.
The next move. No, I still got it up to see what it does.
Oh, there's the break. A little sad I didn't play VLDR, but I didn't like the daily on that one at all.
News,
Dude, I jumped in.
Oh, and that.
Took 50% off when it dropped down towards VWAP, and then it shot back up, and I added back in, and then obviously improved my average, and then just took it as I saw fit.
Getting kind of hungry myself.
OSS up. BLDR dollar.
There's another XNET.
Just $1.
Devin, I pay attention to EOLS. I think it'd be a long one that could go.
Getting lazy.
Is EOLS moving up?
It's trying.
LOL.
It's like clearly making higher lows. It does not want to come back down. It just seems like a Devin type play in there somewhere.
On EOLS?
Yeah.
Yeah, just needs the volume, bro. Just needs that push through, you know?
through 850, we could look for a little scalp here as well. Volume on this is crap. XNET back up the highs.
LQDA.
I'll be right back.
LQDA.
What did I miss? I didn't even see LQDA. Another low volume. So that's some crazy resistance right there where it popped to. Could be a pretty big breakout through there though. So the volume just died. Didn't get the 850 pop there. Watching XNET. This thing through 11 could go. Pretty much timed that perfectly. Got through 11.
What do you got?
XNET RD2.
Watching XNET through 11. Also have LQDA up. XNET I would need a pretty decent move. That thing's like straight up though. That's crazy. But it's just grinding.
Right up on the
Yeah. Yeah, pretty much. It's another one that's just all the way down here, and it'll be at $79 before we know it.
$70 in 2 months.
VLRD done.
EODR's trying.
VLDR.
The volume's picking up on the pump.
I am back.
Are you back? How are you?
Hey, is Lance back yet?
No.
Haven't heard.
You guys are quiet in the chat today.
People.
I mean, it is kind of a quiet day. It's
So
been a
glad I
little
wasn't here
boring.
all day.
I need a new room. You know you love it. It's just how we are.
I know.
So hoping for one more trade. QTT possibly.
We're annoying people. Are we not?
We all are, yes.
You have your moments.
Yes, yes, I do.
We're here for a reason.
EOLS is dropping like a rock now.
Yeah, I saw that.
Like a rock, you say.
It's like everything that's getting like some kind of a pop is just like the volume dies after the pop.
That's weird.
Ooh, EOLS got smashed. It's really hard for a stock to drop that much from the highs when all the volume is up there, and to get back there. And there's so many bag holders at that point.
Yep.
Ooh, XNET with the fake out breakout.
Out all ICD LQDA. XNET slower version of fake out breakout.
It's up here. 13s, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just back up to 13, 14s, having trouble going forward. Be like, screw it, man. I'm gonna get out of here for smaller loss. Or
And there she goes even lower.
I was listening to Nate from Investors Underground.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And he made a statement about because you know he's a big backside of the move
Out
guy.
all
I think
VLDR.
he might dabble in on the front side, but he's nailing it on the backside. And he said just keep those crucial areas.
Just XNET and so slow.
Because remember, once it does drop back down below, you know all those dip buyers that are on the front side, they become pop sellers on the backside.
So slow.
It's an interesting way to look at it. I mean, somebody was dip buying on the front side, now they're underwater. They're gonna.
You guys saw me. I changed this so that I could do it. I would have been in at 82.
Who cares? It's coming down. LOL.
Oh well.
I've never heard that before, but I think that should be like a common trader term.
Yeah. I am not good at the backside because it's like when it's coming back up and it curled and it looks like it's making higher lows and it wants to go back to high of day. It's like, how do you determine what's the backside? Like, I wonder what his trigger to enter a trade is on the backside.
You mean like when he hits it harder? He would
Yeah,
have
like,
level here, so he'd probably have like this bottom here at 10. Well, I would say probably even down here, probably like below 10.
oh, so you're saying he would get him down there?
Small up here. He might be in the small. He might be in here 1,000 shares, which is probably small for him. 3,000 shares.
Right.
Down here, when he sees a break, he's gonna be hitting at 5,000 shares. You know.
Right. So he's looking. So he has no problem chasing.
Well, he's not chasing. He's adding to a winner because if he dabbled in the front. Then
Yeah, but if he's slamming down there, I mean, yeah, he's adding to a winner, but he's essentially bringing his average all the way down if he's hitting it that hard.
Hey, look at VIOT.
IAT?
Yep.
That's actually kind of interesting.
Oh, yeah.
Kinda. I'd like to see that one run a lot more too. Did you take it there?
Yeah.
That wasn't enough for me. I'm greedy. I want bigger moves. Are we still streaming?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm gonna be stopping soon though.
That's naughty.
Naughty.
Always gonna be a little bit naughty. This has room up to $15.84.
Your fibs.
Held when it did this dip down, well, got above it and then held it. It's 1370. And the next was up there at 1584. I like the fibs, dude, man. I mean, since I've been really using them, I feel they like give me a really good idea of where a stock will be and where a stock's support will be. I mean, it's an idea, you know. It's a estimate. But start seeing that holding area, you're like, oh, that's working. Is this all-time high? No. All-time high is 1585. Huh. Link-a-dink. You gotta love that when the frickin' bid line's lining up with the all-time high. That's a short for sure. See, I would have to take that trade. If that got up to 1585, I would have to take that.
That wasn't bad. Wasn't great. Wasn't bad.
Watching BGI, even though it's on SSR.
Said.
Nibble.
What'd my wife say?
It wasn't bad. It wasn't great. It wasn't bad.
Yeah, it could be good.
What my wife said?
Yeah.
No, it was Nancy Way.
Hey, she's dead.
No, she's not. She runs a daycare.
90k avail.
Wow.
Bonus through
With a
X
bunch
point
of
20.
kids.
They killed her.
Wow.
They're eating her right now.
It's like Lord of the Flies down there, bro.
Hey, you don't want to go down there.
This room is dark. I mean, we've been talking about Devin and how his body's gonna be eaten by a shark. Lance is his wife and feeding it to children. Are we still on YouTube?
Yeah.
Tired of your attitude.
Curb my attitude. I don't feel very safe. Simcha.
You're
Simcha.
bringing us down, Steve. Akasa's running again.
Casa earnings FYI.
I'm kind of staring at this diet.
Did EOLS really go back over 13?
Yeah, then it came down. I don't know where it is now.
It's dropping.
Is Tim's still in it?
No.
Because of 2 shares?
I got stopped. Yeah.
Got stopped out of those 2
I guess
shares.
that's
And
good.
when you're holding a position
You
that
believe you
size,
get it?
you can't just let it go against you too much, man. I mean, it could have freaking wrecked his account.
I mean,
Essentially.
you believe a $2 trailing stop got stopped him out?
Right? And it went more than that, too. It almost went $3.
You had a $2 trailing stop on a $10 stock, and you got stopped out.
Basically, what you're
Right?
saying is I'm a douche for not longing it. Because obviously I missed out on some money there.
That's crazy.
Welcome to the market of 2021.
Hey, for this week.
They're worth the price of admission.
Is it Monday? It feels like a Tuesday.
Sure, Friday.
I don't even know what you were trying to say. Rough riding repartee.
I'm positive.
I don't even know what that means. Enlightened
I
me.
know what year we're in, but I know what day it is.
I was looking for a pop closer to 320 on BGI. I didn't quite get it.
Did we have shorts on that one?
No.
DCNX is off my list. What's
Yeah,
the
that
other
was
one
a good
we were
fake out
watching
breakout.
that I should still have up, but I don't. I have EOLS. I don't really want XNET here.
XNET
What was the
finally
that
working
weird
out of
one
it.
that Homeboy was in? Thomas was in it. With the
Oh,
Apple cover.
BLDR?
BLDR.
Yeah, it's not doing anything interesting right now.
I want to keep it up though. 'Cause
XNET $.
trying to have stuff on watch that may do something. And what's cost of it? Is that way above $12?
It's at 1250, but it's kind of dancing around. I just keep moving up where I want to get in. I'm at 1285 now. If it jumps there, I'll take it. But
Cost is up. Alright, DCMX can go away, because that's dead. Dude, set. I'm never gonna probably see you again.
Whoa. Did CZR do a reverse split?
Caesar's Palace?
Yeah. Back in, like, July of last year?
I don't know. What was the price at?
It went from 12 to 30 to 40. Like overnight.
Really?
Yeah, go look at the daily. Yeah, I actually bought this back during the pandemic. I had it down at like $7. It's at 82 now. But I'm starting to think that that's part of a reverse split.
The table.
I really should go back and look at how dumb I was for not holding on to those stocks. I had like CCL at $10. What is that at now? Yeah, 24. I had RCL at $23. That's at 78. Jesus.
That one would have been a.
Well, they all would have been, yeah. The funny part is, since I bought them, that none of them have sent a ship out. Like people are buying this just for the assumption that everything will go back to normal.
And maybe one day.
Well, that was the whole point of me buying them, but yeah, obviously definitely should have held on to them, but shit.
I'll be right back. I gotta go help downstairs.
Later.
Ooh, your wife's dead.
I know. That's why I gotta
Oh yeah, it's another
clean it up a little bit.
Someone got it.
I gotta go clean up after her. God, they made a mess.
Where's
The
those
white
sharks?
everywhere.
The sharks will clean it up.
Sharks do.
There's water everywhere. Jesus, the white everywhere. What's wrong with us?
I think I got Steve
That-
Zimmer.
Jeez, XNET right back up.
XNET did?
Yeah, it's like right back to the highs.
Devin, that was a good one.
This room is dark. Oh, gotcha. Yeah. You're not wrong. When things get slow, the trade talk goes away and some crazy talk starts.
I want like one more decent trade. No, I want more than one more.
CRBP up, come on, baby.
Watching CRBP, I'd like to see the 3 pop.
Cut BGIB/E.
Which one?
CRBP.
We don't have shares.
SNDL Sundial heavy volume now, standing in the Delta Lima with a higher $1.42.
Somehow back down to $1.42 and it's still got all that volume?
It was down to 120. And yeah, it's at 387 million shares. Yeah, it was up to almost $5.
What the hell, dude? Crazy stock that is, huh? One of those that doesn't make much sense. These costs look like on a daily. That's super duper extended. Is all-time highs? No.
It got slow, so slow. Go to the bathroom and see where we're at when we come back.
What?
MKGI, Monica Group getting a pop here. Michael Kilo Golf India, MKGI.
MKGI?
No shares. SSR.
That's the kind of trade Devin likes.
I love shorting when they don't have shares.
And SSR. It's right in your
Yes.
wheelhouse.
Perfect.
Paper millionaire. Paper millionaire.
I can't even paper trade them short if they don't have shares.
Sure you can. Grab a pen and a paper. Just write down short.
That's how I can literally paper trade them.
MKGI another SSR.
I mean, if you want to get technical, you could probably use an Excel spreadsheet.
Not true.
And type it.
I'm actually short CASA.
Stock system getting a pop here, 876, 28% now, to Sandy Sandy.
Tim, you still here?
Yeah, I'm here.
How bad was the weather you got yesterday?
It was supposed to snow, but it never did. It actually just iced a lot. It wasn't too bad.
It made everything difficult yesterday.
OSS, there we go.
Device this morning got a cake off the,
OSS
cake off
50K
the
to
cars.
borrow there.
Yeah.
I can't wait for this winter to be over.
Yeah, it was like nothing, and then now it's just annoying.
It's been storm after storm after storm.
I was telling Amanda, I haven't even been able to move like all the Christmas decorations from my side shed to the back shed because my backyard has not been dry like since I took them down. And that was like near the middle of January.
Why you call him ex-wife?
Yeah,
I
well, I called
mean,
my ex-wife.
guys, I'm sorry. I've been meaning to tell you, but both your exes, the reason they left you is something I would not like to discuss.
Happy face.
You can
Thank
pause
you.
YouTube, it's okay.
No, I think that's a private talk. I've been meaning to have it with you guys for quite some time. Yeah.
I'm currently in a relationship with both of your ex-wives.
Yeah, they just really like threesomes. I don't know what it is. Jesus.
I only got 2 words to say to you.
Good luck.
I'm sorry.
Oh,
I'm
that
sorry.
too. SOS.
Hey,
To the moon.
EOL, I just took that off for small win. EOLS is on my scanner. I'm more interested in that stuff than this one.
You going back to it? Oh, look at that. Almost a 13.
It can break above 13. It can probably go a little money run.
You gonna go long?
I think it's above the highest.
Switch.
I hate
buy
SSR.
another stock? Love it.
You see this? This is because of SSR!
This morning.
Ah, no one cost that. I made something on it. XNET has some room too. Ah. It's another one. It's another one that's so slow though.
For anybody that wants to know why SSR sucks, look at the frickin' chart I just posted.
XNET again.
Not getting filled.
Try to top take it. Don't be so greedy. Take 1 cent less.
I literally traded that just as I normally would, except I hit the short ask button because that's the only way to get filled with SSR, but no fill. Went down from where I felt the jiggle and felt comfortable trading it, and yeah. Gotta love it. Dang, XNET went high a day. Thanks, Goose. Yeah, that would have been my finishing trade right there on SOS.
You can always look at it this way. At least you had the opportunity to be able to try and short.
True. I'm gonna say this. I'm gonna say this once, and only once. You have that same opportunity. You just haven't taken advantage of it yet.
I ain't figured out a way to get the remaining amount yet. Other than sit here and win it.
There's a corner, baby. It's right down the street. Devin could probably hook you up.
I'd be all up on them.
Shit, your figure's better than mine.
They like them thick and juicy down south, brother.
Oh, okay, all right. Well, maybe I will work out the.
I like them real thick and juicy.
You're not gonna continue. How do you just start that and then not continue it? I mean, do you want to go back and forth with it? Because I will. That's not what they say right after that.
I don't remember what they said. So, you do the next line then. I like them real thick and juicy. He's Googling.
No, I'm not Googling. I don't care that much, trust me. I'm just trying to say it again. I want them real thick and juicy. So, yeah, it's like I got the beat in my head. Because I'm trying to go backwards now. Ain't talking about Playboy, because silicone parts are made for boys. I want them real thick and juicy. So find that juicy double. That's what it is. I don't know what it is after that, though. So find that juicy double.
Mix a lot's in trouble. Begging for a piece of that trouble. So I'm looking. I rock videos.
When you videos walking like hoes, you can have them bimbos. I'll keep my women like Flojo. Yeah, I remember that part. I didn't remember what you were saying, but I'm assuming you Googled it.
I want to get with you and take your picture.
My homeboy got to warn me.
With that butt you got me.
Okay.
MKGI. MKGI, dude. I mean, if you want to try an SSR stock.
I just did. Oh, jeez.
Oh, geez, wait, I'll try again.
Is this gonna halt? Oh, it's halting.
I was about to say, it looked like it was halting.
MTSL. There's another one, dude. MTSL. We got shorts on that one.
MKGI.
MTSL. Thomas.
I don't like that 100 per candlestick.
Carrot.
Dun, dun. A big bid popped in there, 450 or 447, I guess it is.
Alright, I just took a small one on that one, dude.
Oh, which one?
Damn, you must have jumped in that way. What was your average? You got it in the 70s?
No, it was like 363.
Oh, I got you. Okay. I was like, yeah, it was in the 50s when I got it up. I was like, ain't no way I can jump in that, even if I wanted to.
Spread got ugly on it, dude. Oh, we had shorts on Viet. Why didn't no one take that? Did we already talk about this one?
You going?
VIOT. A decent push there for sure, up to over 15.
Yeah, I don't know if I saw that one.
I don't know if I did either. I just pulled it up and was like, oh, this is something we gotta short. I've noticed more shorts today, so that's good news.
I'll take it there. It's a small little mess around trade. Worked though.
I'm like, you're posting your chart and I'm still watching it on YouTube play out.
KLR.
It probably goes lower, but that was good enough. Like 50% of the move. And I had no size. I was expecting it to halt, honestly. I just wanted to get in just in case it didn't, so it was basically a free trade.
Damn, I keep missing it. I want to watch your screen to see how far out your order sticks out into the chart. Mine seems like it sticks out a quarter of a mile.
Is that because you have the margin a lot more than I do? I should have held that. I didn't have any shares not to hold it.
It's possible.
So like if you right click, go to configure, what is your y-axis margin? It's on the top right.
It's on the top. 10.
Yeah, mine's 23, so mine's actually further out than yours. I don't know. I don't know what to tell you.
I tried to move it close. Kind of like, you know, from watching FOMO.
Yeah.
And you definitely can see the move. You definitely can see the move better. That would be my only downside, is that it throws it so far out that I can't even see the candle.
Right. I'm not sure I know what you're talking about now at this point. You're talking about like when you have an order on the chart on the right side?
Yep.
You're talking about the line that extends away from it?
MKGI $$ on way.
No, like mine's a box. The box that I'm gonna take next time I get into something. Or I could just put a random buy order up higher than it.
Yeah, yeah. Or sell order, not a buy order.
Careful, last time I did that I wound up in a trade. It wound up being a big winner, but...
Dang, MKGI, I should have held you. I didn't know you were just going to go straight down with no bounce. Damn.
I like them real big and juicy. Oh, STAF to the moon. That was one of the ones that, what's his name, like bought the whole float of, wasn't it?
Come on, MKGI. Like, go back to height day or something. Like, come on. Making me feel bad. ANY attempting something? That's a low float though, isn't it? Yeah, 8 mil.
MKGI out all.
Any?
SOS dollar on
Getting kind of hungry.
I already ate. Damn, and he is moving.
Alright, hey, look at that sample.
Did you hear something, Devin?
You heard moi.
Oh, that? Hold on.
But want a little more. 3.97 hold level.
Yeah, you saw that? See how yours stays tucked in?
Yeah, it's an option. It's a setting. I'm looking for it. There it is. Right click, go to chart area, and then config area. And then inside that on the left, it's the fourth one down. Hide order type / quantity. Check it. And then try again. I haven't had that there for so long that I couldn't remember what you were talking about. Once you showed it to me, I was like, aha!
Oh, dude, awesome sauce.
I've never seen that either on mine, so I only have that what.
Hello?
Well, you don't really put orders out either, Devin, so you probably don't ever have to worry about it.
I did this morning, but yeah, those go faster only I do it. Hello, Jack?
Hello? Hey, look, SNDL, it went up like 10, 12 cents. What's going on? It's flying in the last 3 minutes.
You enjoyed it.
No, we can't. I wouldn't short that anyway, but. Did I miss anything? Doesn't look it.
Just MKGI.
You still in it?
I wish.
You got a decent move on it, though.
Yeah. When I got out, it was trying to bounce, but it didn't bounce.
No. No, it went down, what,
Not.
30, 40 cents?
Yeah, yep.
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 Thanks for telling me.
Alright, going to warm my lunch. Be back.
Yeah, I'm thinking about going to get lunch myself.
Look at NCTY, 79.51.
I know, we were looking at that earlier. What the hell did Thomas just say?
I don't know.
So you're going to yell upstairs to mine?
Meatloaf! She, I don't even think she's here. I think she went out.
Hey, Mom.
I'm debating, should I go eat another salad, which I've eaten every single day this week, or should I go to Chipotle?
Chipotle?
I think you should call Ma and tell her to pick you up.
I mean, what's the advantage of being here during the day if I can't, you know, make use of it?
Ma, make me some meatloaf.
But then you need Chipotle away.
This is true. I just wanted to start warming up so I can, like, go on a walk or something. This winter crap is getting annoying.
It's not snowing there today, is it?
Yeah, it's icing.
Yeah, where we got like light snow today, last night through today. Got about 4 inches so far.
Well, we were supposed to get 3 to 6, but then it went to 3 to 4, or it was like 2 to 4, and then it turned to ice. So we didn't really get any more snow. It just iced.
Yeah, I'd rather get the snow.
When you say it's
Yeah.
icing, are you talking about like those, like ice cubes?
Not hail. It's more there. It's like rain, but it's ice. It wasn't hail. I mean, I guess technically it is hail, but it's not.
Trying to add backside XNET.
It's not big then.
SS
Yeah,
are
it's
making
not the kind that's gonna damage anything.
See these small shards of ice falling from the sky.
Yes. Every time I click that button while I'm trying to do this, it doesn't pay us. You ever see the movie Twister?
Yes.
It's not like
A long
that.
time.
Lyle a little more. Carrot, carrot, carrot.
My favorite movie of all time.
Did you see the cow out front?
3.60s for me. Orders to start through X.50. Sounds about right.
Is that a Twister reference?
Yes, I could probably recite that whole movie.
Shut up.
Yeah, I've seen that movie so many times. Yeah, it's Bill Paxton, man. That was like his best movie ever. Ready? You have to know this one. Have you seen the movie? Okay. So, I think we're going in.
Yeah, no doubt.
Cow. Another cow. Actually, I think that was the same cow. I have definitely seen that more than you. Yes. That's one of the ones where it would come on TV and I'd watch it, like, no matter what else I was doing. I know Goose, right? R.I.P. Bill Paxton. He was a good one. Yeah, it's the scene where they go to visit Aunt Meg and Dusty, the kind of loopy one. He was like, "Where do you get all this steak from, or meat from?" And she's like, "You see the cow out front?" He said, "No." And she's like, "Oh." It's like one of my favorite parts.
That is funny that you've seen that movie that many times.
I could literally, I wouldn't be able to recite it word for word like some other movies, but I could definitely play the movie out from start to finish in my head. Like, I could tell you all the scenes and like how it goes, and I've definitely seen that movie quite some time.
I have not seen a lot of movies in my life more than once.
Really? I'm that way now, but back then, man, I was a huge movie buff. I mean, that was also before like the internet was a real big thing and stuff like that.
And like I've seen Unusual Suspects more than once, and Suicide Kings. What else? Oh, Fight Club. Freaking love that movie.
Yeah, Fight Club is a good one.
That's one of my favorite movies of all time.
I just wish that they chose a different chick for that movie.
And then I don't remember her name. But
Yeah, I don't remember her name either, but I just feel like she didn't. I don't know. They didn't look good together. Like, I feel both. She just wasn't the right fit for that role. Like, she played it well, but she wasn't like just the right look. Like I feel like in Hollywood, a lot of casting has to do with like what looks the best together. And I don't know, that was one thing about that movie that I was just it bothered me.
She was supposed to be kind of like scuzzy and.
Yeah, but I know that, but at the same time, it's like I don't know. It's just when you have two people on the screen, like you see this in a lot of movies. Like I'm telling you, like what's that one movie? Jumanji. Look at the four different sets of people that you have together. But when you put them all together, they actually looked kind of good together. Like they grouped well. Like there's a lot of thought that goes into that stuff.
Oh, I'm sure. Yeah.
And I'm just saying they dropped the ball in Fight Club, that's all.
You just don't think that was a good selection, huh?
No, not at all. Like, dude, I used to be a movie buff. I'm telling you, like, I used to be that guy that would watch a movie and I'd like, I wouldn't like, go post reviews or anything, but I'd be like, I gotta watch that again to see like if this is what that really meant, and did I miss something? And like, I was that guy. Like, I loved watching
That's why
movies.
I watch, like Usual Suspects multiple times, Fight Club, because they're movies that like are thinking movies, where you're like,
Yep.
oh, shit.
Well, right where it ends, yeah, it ends, and you're like, did I catch everything? I think I need to go back and watch this again.
Yeah, those are the type of movies I dig.
Yeah, I agree. Another good one was yeah. Another good one for that was Seven. That's a really good
Seven
one.
was awesome. Seven was awesome. I've seen that more than once.
Yeah, that's a really good movie. That is good to watch a couple times. What was that? I'm trying to think of what's the
I
other
saw
one?
American History X more than once, but that's because I really thought that was a good movie. But
Yeah, I actually don't think I watched that more than once. I did think it was a good movie though. I just didn't really care for it. What's in the box? Come on, man. Just tell me. What's in the box? Dude, I remember just fucking bawling when I saw it the first time.
funny, a few of these movies that we've come up with have had similar actors.
Brad Pitt, yeah.
Brad Pitt
Uh,
and Usual Suspects had
yeah.
had the What's in the Box guy. Yeah, what's that?
That's Brad Pitt.
Oh, the other guy, the bad guy.
Oh. What the hell is his name? It's not the Hannibal Lecter dude. What movie was he in that was like that? I thought that was him in Seven. Oh, Kevin Spacey, that's right. Dude, American Beauty.
He was in Unusual Suspects.
Yeah, that's right, that's right.
He was in Suicide Kings.
American Beauty is another good movie that he did.
That movie I did not love.
Maybe I'm just biased because of the end. When you get to see,
All you want to see is somebody naked.
Back then that was a big deal.
Yeah. I just didn't love that movie, dude.
I thought it was good. I liked how he played the hard ass in it. You ever seen The Departed?
Yeah. That was good.
Yeah, all the Bourne movies, they're really good. Pretty much anything Matt Damon's been in. Dude, his career has just been phenomenal. He's probably one of my favorite actors. Like, he's definitely top 3. I don't even really have, I don't think I really have like an actual favorite. But Matt Damon is definitely top 3. Charlie Sheen's probably in my top 3 as well. And probably Keanu Reeves. I'd probably say that's my top 3. Actors, not actresses. I was kind of splitting them. Actresses?
In the top 3,
So-
huh?
Oh, dude, Keanu? Fuck. Yes. There's no question. That dude is one of the best actors of our lifetime.
I don't think he's one of the best actors, because I kind of think he's always himself. But
Exactly. Like he has a role. Yeah, but he has a role and they build a movie around him. Like how can you not be more complimented than that?
yeah, I just still think he's one of the best actors. Like Ed Norton's a better actor probably than Keanu Reeves.
Oh right. Well yeah, Keanu doesn't even really have to act, but that's kind of the beauty of it. If you really think about it.
I mean, because like you got him in Wild Science. God, why is that movie name not coming in the line? Bill and Ted. And he's
Oh yeah.
whoa, whoa. You got him in the Matrix, and he's like, whoa, take the blue pill. you got him in Speed. Whoa, plus going fast.
No, I agree. No, I agree with you. I mean, if you're really looking at it from like just an acting standpoint, I was more so looking at it from like the enjoyment of watching a movie standpoint.
I like his movies too. I do too.
Yeah.
I agree.
But yeah, if you're getting into like actual acting, then yeah, I mean, shit, I would say Kevin Spacey's probably better than all of the ones I named. Yeah, he is a damn good actor. Tom Cruise is a good actor. Leonardo is a really good actor. Tom's a pretty good actor, man. You gotta remember, he didn't just do those mainstream. Like, he did a lot of. Tom Hanks is a very good actor. That's a good one. I didn't think of him. I actually just watched Forrest Gump the other day.
Did you?
Yep.
Did it hold up?
Yeah, it does. It holds up very well. We started 1989. I was born in 85. She was born in 90. We decided to start in 89 because we didn't like what was in 87 or 88. We're watching the best picture from every year. So every Saturday we watch the next year's best picture. We actually just watched Braveheart. The English Patient won the same year that Jerry Maguire was in the running. The English Patient was probably the worst movie I've ever watched. We didn't even finish it. We got about 3/4 of the way, and there was like an hour left still. It was a longer movie too. It was like 3 hours, and I was like, I can't watch the rest of this. Like it's let's just load up Jerry Maguire because that should have won Best Picture this year.
Oh, you were trying to watch all the best.
Well, yeah, we are. Yeah, that's what we're going. We're going through all the winners for each year, just as a thing to do together. And it was, dude, the worst movie I've ever seen. It like doesn't even have a plot. I mean, the plot is. I don't want to give it away because you can go like look it up yourself. But if you go watch the trailer, like that's the movie. Like you can just watch the trailer and that's the movie. It's like 3 hours of nothing. It's stupid. It's the dumb. Like I don't understand how. Yeah, I don't even understand how it's a movie. Like I don't even, or let alone how it was even in conversation for Best Picture. Didn't make. I mean, I don't know. Yeah, Rain Man. That was that 89? I think that's why we started in 89. LA on the stream had said that. Pretty sure it was. We're coming up. I think Titanic is next. 96. Titanic is good. Leo. Kiana all the time up at roadside cafe called Neptune's Net. Big motorcycle hangout. Yeah. Oh yeah, he loves bikes.
Not that you guys would take it anywhere near where I've been doing, but.
Wish you all the best luck on that one. I think you just need to up your share size to like 5,000 shares per turn.
Okay.
Because I think that's how you're gonna really make a lot of money on these. I feel like
Yeah, I've already got $50 covered, and I still got 100 shares left.
Yeah, if you had 1,000 shares, it would be a lot more than $50.
That is true.
All right, I'm gonna get out of here. Guys, Friday night live stream tonight, 9 o'clock Eastern. Be here. We'll be giving away a week of the Team ISW scanners. And if I don't see you, have a good weekend. Let me get this all set up. Hopefully you guys will stop by. It's always a fun time. An hour and a half of just talking about the week, how we did this week, how we're doing moving forward, plans for the future, just, shooting the shit with everybody that shows up. And it's always a lot of fun. So I'd appreciate it if you guys stop by. If you don't, have a good weekend, and I'll see you on Monday. And until then, peace.